Causes of Russian Revolution. What were the causes for the Russian Revolution? First, Russo-Japanese War, which took place in 1904, where Russians got defeated. So this war took place in 1904, and Russians here got defeated, and they had to bear a great loss. Because of that, prices of essential goods rose, and workers demanded better working conditions and their rights. Because of their demands, 4 workers were dismissed at Putulo Iron Works. It's the name of a factory or industry. Therefore, workers were dismissed by the factory owner without any reason. This was the real cause, and because of this, over next few days, over 110,000 workers in St. Petersburg went on strike, demanding reduction in working hours and working hours to 8 hours, increase in wages, and improvement in working conditions. Okay, so when the procession of these workers, which was led by Father Gapon, reached the Winter Palace, it was attacked by the police, because here Tsar, he ordered the police to fire on the procession because the situation went out of his control. So police, they attacked on these workers, and as a result of this action, over 100 workers were killed and 300 workers were wounded. This incident in history is known as Bloody Sunday, because this procession took place on Sunday. So it started a series of events known as 1905 revolution. After this revolution, or after this strike, so many strikes started taking place in St. Petersburg and Moscow. This was the start. A result of the series of revolution, here Tsar formed Duma. Duma was the elected consultative parliament. Here he set a Duma in which people were elected from the Bolsheviks group, and what they did, they used to come, they used to discuss on the matters, and these people, they used to go home. They didn't have any right in their hand. So first, in this way, first Duma was dismissed in 75 days because they demanded certain things to Tsar, and he didn't allow them, and for this purpose this Duma was dismissed. Next, Duma was re-elected within 3 months. Again, that Duma was also dismissed because they demanded. So what Tsar did, he set up those people in the third Duma from Menshevik groups, from the conservative groups. So conservative politicians were there, and they didn't demand anything. They were the blind followers of Tsar, and this way the third Duma was formed.